To assemble the M1, first place the round rubber seal with the 3 holes facing up onto the lure. Next, place the correct rubber spacer for the cartridge you are filling into the spacer port. The height spacer is next. Each spacer is marked for the specific cartridge you are filling. In this case, the H spacer for the Canon CLI 8 series. Now, place the rubber seal on top of the height spacer with the indentions facing down. The indentions only face up when filling Lexmark cartridges. Next, place the correct cartridge alignment guide onto the M1. In this case, the C1 guide for the CLI 8 cartridges. You are now ready to fill your cartridges. To fill your cartridge, place it into the M1, making sure that the top of the cartridge is flat against the rubber seal. Clamp the cartridge into place. Fill your syringe with the designated amount of ink and attach to the M1. Now, quickly pull back on the plunger and release. The ink will be pulled into the cartridge. After the syringe is empty and all the ink is into the cartridge, pull back slightly on the syringe once more and release to relieve any pressure. Now you are ready to move on to the next cartridge. The proper cleaning of the M1 is very important to prevent the cross-contamination of colors. After every use, make sure to thoroughly clean all the parts of the unit. Remove all parts and rinse with water. Do not use solvents. After cleaning, dry thoroughly with a clean, lint-free cloth. Occasionally, after many uses, the top will misalign with the bottom of the M1. Center the top with the bottom by looking at the clamp location, making sure the distance is the same on both sides. Hold in place while tightening the screw on the bottom of the M1. After tightening, check again to make sure the top and bottom are aligned. If not aligned, the unit will not work correctly. If you are experiencing technical difficulties or have any other questions about the M1, give us a call at 1-800-688-0129 today to talk to a technical representative.